What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me yet, my name is Albert and I drive a 2012 Mustang. Hope you guys are in a blessed day as always, and let's jump right into the video. For those watching, I have a 2012 V6 Mustang base model, so it does not come equipped with a sync option, which means no Bluetooth. So recently my radio just went out. I was having that error where only the time and the temperature come out. I would click the power button and nothing would happen, or the time would come up and that's it, and then it would just go away, and then just the temperature would show on the corner. So I disconnected the battery, tried to reset the electronic system or whatever. That didn't work. I checked the fuses to see if one was out. That wasn't it either. And I just took out the whole console, the radio console, and put it back in. Maybe that would work, and that didn't work either. So after going on Google and coming across different forums, it pretty much said that the radio was just done and I needed to replace it. Looking online, there wasn't many options to choose from. I know there's the Scotia dash kit, which is like $380, and you still need to buy the double din radio. And I didn't really like the look of it. To me, it just didn't look like it went well with the car. Some do like it. I mean, I'm not, like bashing anybody else's opinion or liking on their car. It's just not for me. So the second option that I saw out there was one that American Muscle had just put up. It was a Navos Navigation system, which has just been up for about like 2 months, 3 months. But there was like one review and one picture, and then I went on YouTube and I didn't find anything on it. So I was like, you know what? I'm talking to my parents. I'm gonna risk it. It's kind of pricey. It is at $699, I believe, 99, if I'm not mistaken, or $799.99. It is really up there in the price range. But so I was like, you know what? After looking on YouTube, there wasn't really much reviews or that I can base myself to convince me to get it. But it was between that one and the Scotia, and I ended up getting the Navos. And then I ended up getting it. I used the 6% code, 6% off, which is 14F book code. I will put it somewhere around the video so y'all can use it. There's no price limit, I think, so you can use it for your whole cart, your one order. So I ended up ordering it. I installed it. Me and my friend Barney installed it. Manuel50. I will put his Instagram somewhere around here as well. Y'all can give him a follow. He came in clutch and helped me out. When I first opened the box, it was just a bunch of wires, which I was freaking out. I'm not someone who's real wire radio savvy, so I called him. He's done radios before, and subs and amps and the speakers. So he came and he helped me, and he's like, nah, you don't need these. All these wires are just if you have an aftermarket amp or sub, and I don't have that. I'm just running some aftermarket speakers on the doors. So toss that out of the window, and it's really a simple plug and play. Once you have everything ready and everything removed, it's like 5 to 10 minutes to install. The only thing you got to do is you got to place that GPS, because it does come with navigations, and a little back plate in the back, metal back plate, which is with a magnet, and then the microphone, you wire it. And then the other one is the microphone. You can just hide it wherever. I'll show you guys right now. And the USB cable, which I'll talk to you guys about that right now. But enough of the talkie. Let me just show you guys a walkthrough on the radio. All right, guys, so here you have it. This is the Navos Navigation System from American Muscle. As you can see, I'm about to turn it on. I clicked it, and there you go. Usually it doesn't take this long. I don't know why it took this long right now, but there you have it. Let's go to the main menu. You have your radio option. You got it right there with your presets. I'm not gonna go too in depth with it. I just want y'all to see the different options that come with this radio. Navigation. I am gonna show you how long it takes for the navigation though. It takes maybe about 10 seconds. And there you go. It is pretty snappy, guys. It's not laggy as I thought. There you go, and y'all can mess with it if you want, but y'all can see the basics right here. You just put in your address, and just like any other GPS, it'll take you there. And I'll just back out. There you go, takes you back to the radio. It does have Bluetooth audio, so like I mentioned a while ago, I do have a base Mustang, so this radio came in handy because now I have Bluetooth capabilities with my phone, which is just a lot better, because if you have an iPhone, you already know you can't charge your phone or use an aux at the same time with the new iPhones. So now I can charge my phone and use Bluetooth. So it's pretty good. Next thing is phone. You can make calls from right here, or dial out or receive calls. I did wire the microphone down here, and it goes to the back, and right here. The instructions did say to look up, to wire it here. I didn't like it. I didn't want to see the microphone right there, so I just hit it right there. I give the quality about 8 out of 10 on the microphone. From what I've asked people, or like my girlfriend, I talked to her, my parents, my family, like they can hear me pretty fine. So that's the microphone. Media, it'll take you right here to USB and SD. And then you have your iPod, which if you have a base model, you know that you don't have a USB. But now this one comes with a USB that I wired. Me and Barney wired right through here, and there you go. You have it right here, USB, and you can charge your phone as well. Or when you connect it, you can just play music to your radio. One tip: if you connect to Bluetooth using Spotify, I haven't tried Apple Music yet, but on Spotify, Bluetooth, your cover art won't show. It'll just show this menu right here. But if you do use a USB cable, the cover art will show right here. Just in case you guys are like, whoa, what the heck? Why isn't the cover art showing up? That's it. You go to the next screen, and it's pretty much self-explanatory info. I haven't used NaviPath file where you can connect to USB and stuff like that. Camera, if you do have a back camera, it comes in handy. If you don't, this is what happens. Go reverse, and you get a blank screen like that if you don't have a camera. But there is a workaround around that, which you go to settings, you go down right here where it says reverse cam, just put none. When you reverse, nothing will happen. So you have your audio where you can fix your treble, bass, the equalizer, all that stuff. System, your system settings. Air condition, I find myself using actually the manual controls rather than the touchscreen controls, but you can use whichever your preference. And then the third screen, I really don't mess with this. AV, SD card, USB, Android link, so this is compatible with Android, and I don't know what this is, HDD. This is pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to show you what this radio has included, and honestly, I've had this for about a month and a half or two, and I have no complaints on this radio at all. The sound's fine, the GPS is fine, the microphone is fine, the USB down here works fine. And you also have just the manual buttons down here, which I really don't have to explain to you guys, but that's pretty much it, just like your regular radio. Honestly, this does look like the premium or the GT500 stereo with when the little Cobra comes out here. It looks like that one. Down here is for an SD card, and then you put your navigation card, which comes with the radio when you open it. Just don't lose it. Oh, one last thing, this is a shortcut. You can set it up to whatever you want. So I have it set up to Bluetooth, so if I don't want to be looking for the icon right there, I just click it and it takes me straight to Bluetooth. The Bluetooth, guys, I give it like a 9 out of 10 or a 10 out of 10 if I can. The connectivity is good. It doesn't disconnect so far on me. And if you have Bluetooth on, well, as soon as you get in the car, your phone connects to it. If not, you go to settings and you just look for Navos. You connect it, and it just in a matter of like a second or less than a second, you're already connected. There's no issue with connectivity so far on my end. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are on the edge of whether getting this radio or not, or between two different radios, hope this video can help you, can help persuade you to make the good decision. Like I said, it looks stock, so the tones are pretty much identical. It isn't laggy, and it's pretty fast, sounds good, touchscreen is good, everything, it checks off my list, guys. I already showed you everything, the texture, the quality of it. Well, I can't show you the song because then if I put a song, whatever, copyright, whatever, but anyways, the song won't do it justice. But I recommend this radio to you. If you have the extra cash to spend on it, go ahead. I didn't spit out the cash because I wanted to upgrade radio, but because I had to, because mine just went out. Their radio wasn't working at all, so I was like, you know what, whatever. I tried riding around for like a week without a radio, and I mean, it's no radio, or just like have your phone playing music, or maybe even a wireless speaker in your car. But that's all up to you guys. If you're in the budget and can do it, go ahead. But that's gonna conclude the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, subscribe, like, and comment, and have a blessed day, guys.